Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. If you're not nasally, you lucky. Welcome to my kitchen. This morning we're going to make some apple cinnamon muffins, some breakfast muffins. I guess you could have them anytime you want to, but we're going to have some for breakfast. But you know what? I got all my stuff out. You see that? Guess what I didn't get? You guessed it, an apple. I like to keep my apples in the refrigerator. They last longer that way. But yeah, these muffins can be made with almond flour, wheat flour, all-purpose flour, whatever you have on hand. If you have the all-purpose flour, then obviously you don't want to put in any baking soda. But we're using flour, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, apple, 3 eggs, some honey, and coconut oil. We're going to grate the apple. So it'll be, I think I'm just going to use one. I dropped this one yesterday, so it's got a boo-boo. Yeah, probably just do one. I went ahead and measured out our dry ingredients, and we're just going to whisk this together. There's a lot of cinnamon in there, so you can always not put as much in there if you're not a big cinnamon fan, but we like it. But we're just going to do that as just whisk it together. Dry ingredients in one bowl, wet ingredients in the other one. If you use your oils or if you decide to use butter instead, melt your coconut oil first and then measure it. And it would be 2 tablespoons is what you're looking for. Yeah. Here I've already done that and melted it down. Sorry you guys. You know how it is. Change of season, along comes the dreaded sinusitis. Okay, it's honey. We buy this from a local apiary. Is it an apiary? A beekeeper. A beekeeper, y'all. I don't know what the name of it is. It's a beekeeper. I'd like to do it myself one day. But we're going to put a 1/4 cup in there. And then I've got 3 eggs over here that we're going to put in with this. That honey tastes so good. Okay. Now if you want to put some lemon juice in this to keep your apple from browning, feel free to do so. I'm not going to do that. Put those eggs in there. There's nothing wrong with this bowl. I used it to melt my coconut oil in. Just didn't want you all thinking I was using a dirty bowl. Like a dirty bowl. Because it wasn't. So let's go ahead and whisk this together. Just give it a little whisk. Set that over out of the way. Clean up my mess. Now, oh, I've got the oven preheating to 325 degrees, by the way, and I've got just a regular standard size muffin tin is what I'm going to use. I've had these forever. These are my favorites. I use them often, but I keep them very clean. Okay, Tom keeps them very clean. He uses a SOS pad on them whenever they get looking a little grungy. Okay. This. We have to do that now. And I can't find my grater, my box grater, so I'm going to have to do it a different way. I'll be right back. Okay, since I could not find my box grater, I'm going to use this. It's fine. It should work just fine. Okay. Now, you don't have to peel it. The grating of it takes care of most of that. I am not left-handed, so that didn't work real easy for me, but hey, if I'd been using my right hand, I assure you it would have been just fine. Okay. Next, let me mix this in here. Next, we're going to pour this wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And then I'm going to spray some nonstick spray on my pan. Because I don't know for sure how many this is going to make. I'm just going to do like, ooh, yeah. I'll probably just spray 10 of the tins, muffin tins, cups, muffin cups. I'm not going to use any of the paper liners with this. I am, however, making a mess. It's a very thick batter. I'm doing this as a dairy-free option. Now, I'm not satisfied with this batter being as thick as it is, so I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of water in there. Go. Now, muffin spray, I'll start out with 9 instead of 10. I did say muffin spray, did I not? Y'all know what I mean. Whew. I blame it on the foggy brain from the nose. I was going to use a spoon to get this out of here. Nine muffins for my 10. So I'm just going to scoop the rest of this out of here and put it in those that are not as full, like the first one. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to bake these in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to set my timer on 20 and I'll check it. Then just push that on down in there. Alright. Pay no mind to the crusty oven. Here we go. And we'll see y'all in 20. You want to put this in, pull it back out, and it shouldn't have any batter at all on it. That means they're done. So 20 minutes. We're going to turn that off. And did you see how easy that muffin lifted up out of there? See? Look at that. Look at that. Oh my. Moist. Full of flavor. My taste tester is outside in the garden. When he gets back in here, we'll see what he thinks about them. I think that you could add some pecans to these, and it would just enhance the flavor that much more. Yeah, the door just opened. My taste tester is here. Look at that. Isn't that delicious looking? Okay, let's get Tom this plate here and see what he thinks about it. Be right back with you. Mr. Gardner, are you ready?
Yes.
It's hot. You know, obviously, first time I fixed these, so let me know what you think.
I like them, yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Should I do anything any different, or?
A little bit more apple.
Oh, see, I had 2 apples out, didn't I, guys? And I was like, no, maybe not. Okay.
A little bit more apple, but no.
The cinnamon, is it okay? The amount of cinnamon?
Yeah, it's
okay.
spot on.
I got the recipe for these muffins from Cook, Clean, Repeat. One of my favorite YouTube channels. I have a few of those. But if y'all haven't subscribed to me yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button. It doesn't cost you anything at all. It just helps my videos get out there a little bit more. Click that bell. You'll know each time we put new content on. Hit the like button. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you're liking the stuff that I'm doing. That also helps me. So, I'm going to eat a muffin. Y'all take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.